Welcome. My name is Martin Nietz and I represent the Innovation Norway office here in beautiful Munich, Germany. Welcome to our digital global growth program focusing on exporting in the manufacturing industry and sales recovery using Industry 4.0 tools. A bit about the background. As we all know, the COVID-19 situation, the ongoing pandemic, had a quite significant impact on the way we live, the way we communicate, the way we do business, and the way we work, basically. Furthermore, I think many of you have also perceived the dependency on our supply chains on functioning mechanisms that has been quite challenged in that time. Another thing is that we see that, especially in the manufacturing industry, the application not just of the technical elements of Industry 4.0, but of the organizational elements are something that is extremely important and in many cases actually lacks the right application. Furthermore, speed matters. When we look at the market, I think one major element is really how can you adapt these technologies faster than your competitors and better than your competitors in order to not just regain market share, but actually stay ahead of your competitors. What is a global growth program? A global growth program is an export program delivered by Innovation Norway. Here we try to assist Norwegian companies entering new markets. This we do by speed, increasing the speed by using our network of experts, using our competence, using our market experience, and the right tools to help you as a company. And by doing that, we hope to reduce the risk for you going abroad. And that has been quite successful so far. These programs usually are tailor-made for groups of companies, which will also be the case here. So how it works. This is a bit of a new approach here, which has a specific mix of e-learning modules, which you have to go through. It's a total of 13 modules. Followed by assignments that you and your company have to do, focusing on your company-specific use case. Followed then by live sessions with experts from us, experts from Germany, again focusing on your company-specific case. Followed by that, ideally we would like to have a concrete digital export strategy covering your product, your market, your target customer, identified throughout this process. In phase 3, we will actually go out and not just test this hypothesis, but actually apply it with real life customers. Innovation Norway has offices in more than 30 countries of the world, and therefore also experts sitting there. So we will be able to connect you to the customers sitting in your potential target market. As briefly mentioned before, the program is divided into 4 different phases. The first phase is an uptake phase, which has a module that is available for everyone that has interest in kind of understanding what we're doing here, where we go a bit into details when it comes to defining the digital export program. Phase 1 then focuses on digital export leadership. Basically, it's giving you tools at hand for how your organization can position themselves as a digital leader. Phase 2 goes then really into detail, looking at both products, markets, ideas for both revenues and sales, and ends with a very concrete digital export strategy for your business. In phase 3, we will then go out and test and apply this digital export strategy using all the tools that you have learned before with real-life customers sitting in the market of your interest. We estimate that program to be approximately 12 weeks, but we try to do this as flexible as possible, and that will highly also depend on the way you as a company will interact with us. The key takeaways, first and foremost, increased competence in how to best use digital tools and how to apply Industry 4.0 technologies to your business, both from the technology perspective and from the organizational perspective. Furthermore, a very concrete development of a company-specific digital export strategy. How can you use these methods to improve your sales, to improve your exports, and regain business? Concretely, in the identification of new markets and customers. And we do this, applying these with one-to-one meetings with your potential customers. Well, enough said. You'll see the link below to the modules. Let's go. Let's explore international markets and have fun with it. And let's do this together. Looking forward to cooperating with you.